freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. My patience running thinner on this melting clock. Cerebrum jail with thoughts most would consider odd. To think you're any different from an animal or creature sick as you should be put down, but I can't help myself. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. Please don't hide your imperfections. Nature took to try to make the man in white. No, I don't mind. You are a beauty, not temptation. You're my creation.
Friday night, now I'm the main attraction. Let's get at they wanna see some action. Tinkering with my design, twist and tame my pheromone. Play with me till you found another toy. Let me be a feature, I could be your favorite monster. Battle my whole cage, remind me why I can't be fostered. Let me be a feature, I could be your favorite monster. Lock me up, don't let me out, 'cause you know I can't help myself.
Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. You're wasting all. Have a time finding the cure when there's no disease. You're wasting all. Have a talent on an audience that sees a freak. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Yeah, it's that Super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's your boy, it's your man, Young Josh A coming through with the plan. I wrote a couple songs and I gained a couple lives. Moved to Orlando, now I'm living fine. Yeah, I got a brain for a dentist and I train like a menace, but the passion is music. I've been in it for a minute, goddamn. Giving it everything that I can. I've been making some fire, my ego is boosted. I don't wanna go back. I've been looking at my life like a throwback. How far I've came, man, that's so rad. I remember when they said my music's so bad. Young, shy, and chosen. They laugh until they hear this young man go in. I've been making the killing, just chasing my dreams, right until I cannot breathe. Yeah. Yeah, it's that Super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super no Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that Super. Man, what can I say? Other than that, I am great. I've been at it making songs every single day, and the people want more, so I'm slaving away. About to quit my job and name my manager my mixtape. Yeah, this is my passion. You're only ready for the tape and the game will tap in. I just really wanna make it, man, I'll make it happen. And there's gonna be more than just pointless stabbing. Drop love and I found a new outlet. Girls on me out, swear they need a new outfit. No romance anymore, got a hand on the door and I'm leaving that part of my life. Man, like Isaac Newton, no excuses. I'ma just focus on it, only music. History only wants the contributions. I don't think they care about your body count. Yeah. Yeah.